Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Today I'm going to talk about a package that came in, and I'm actually looking forward to this because this is going to be a pair of earbuds that is going to come from Xiaomi. It's going to be paired along with my Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. So I think that's going to be pretty cool because it's going to go along with it. And Xiaomi has been a device company that's actually been releasing some really good products for the last years. And the first thing that you're getting is the box right there. You're also getting a case right here along with a USB micro USB cable right here, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see what else comes inside of it. So right here we're getting the Redmi AirDots right here, Bluetooth 5.0. And you can see that this is all in Chinese, but you can see that the earbuds themselves have Bluetooth 5.0, 40 milliamp hour battery, 300 milliamp hour battery case. And you can see right here there's some other stuff here that I can't make out, but these should both be able to do stereo surround sound calls on both ears. Let's take a look at this case. So this is actually pretty cool. It's a two-piece case, silicone case. So we're getting the red dots. Let's just go ahead and unbox this. So there's some tape at the top, so you just gotta cut that out. And then once you do so, you just can go ahead and open it up. Okay, so what you're greeted with is the case itself. We're gonna put that right here. And then you get like another piece in here, which is all empty except for the red dots user guide, which is, if you flip it around, you're getting Chinese on this side, and then on this side you're also getting Chinese as well. So this is no use to us, but you can see we got the AirDots right here. This looks really small. I'm gonna just take that off. You don't even need to peel it. It says Redmi right on the front. I don't know if you can see that, but it says Redmi right on the front, which is cool. Has a really nice look to it. It's not matte black, but it's definitely has that glossiness to it. You can see right here some specifications as well, but let's just pop that open. You can see you got your earbuds inside of here placed nicely. Let's go ahead and see how this case fits. I'm curious to see that because if they offered it, so I definitely want to see how that would fit. So that's going to fit right over top of the charging port, which is actually pretty cool. I've never seen any other companies besides like the Samsung Galaxy Buds and like AirPods offer cases, but you can see this thing kind of fits a little tight, little snug once you get it on there all the way, which is kind of cool. It's a little loose. I probably got it on backwards. Let me just flip this side. Wait, it was on the right side. So I guess it's just like not the best case in the entire world. Okay, I got that lined up as best as possible, so that's as good as it's gonna get. You can see that's how it looks with the case on it. So we got the case on there. It looks pretty nice. I definitely want to pair these up to my Bluetooth on my Xiaomi device. Okay, so yeah, this case is terrible. Let me take that off and then pull these out. They have these little stickers on each earbud, but you can see that. So we're just gonna take that off. Those are like to cover the buttons right here. We're getting physical buttons. All right, so the case has absolutely no juice either, which is weird. So we're gonna have to charge. Oh wait, I lied. That blue thing is on it, so that's what's preventing it from charging. Let's pop this in. Okay, so now it's actually charging on that side. You can see that you got the left on this side, so we're gonna pull that off. I want to compare these to the Umidigi earbuds in the future because these kind of look similar to them. You can see you got your similar design and everything like that. but you got the Xiaomi on the right, AirPod on the left. You got the Medigi U Pods, which are a little bit the bigger case, but kind of similar in design. Let's put this off to the side. But I'm gonna just pop this one in my ear. Has a nice fit. Wow, I hear it echoing now, and a beep, and they're all the way in my ear. Let's go ahead and press refresh and see if we can find them. Oh, here are. So I'm hoping that's for the left and right. I don't know if it's like a parent and slave where the right one is the main driver. Oh, here we go. We got pairing right here. Okay, so I hear both of them on. Let me take out this one and put it in and see if I still get one ear in with music playing and vice versa. Oh wait, so you gotta have the right one in. Hold on. All right, let me press play now.
Watch this short video to get.
All right, so it's still not paired. Hold on one second. It says it's paired. All right, so now the right one is only paired, not the left one, which is weird. Let me put this one in now. All right, now they're both paired. Oh wait, these sound pretty good. And you're getting some extra ear tips. I'm overlooked that right here. So you got extra ear tips right there. Ooh. The bass hit. I'm feeling horny. And I shoot like Robert Ory. Wow, those sound really good. Let me test out the playback on YouTube. And you can see you get the battery right here at the top. It shows you the battery indicator as well, which is crazy. Let me just test out the latency. Good passive noise cancellation. Honestly, I can barely hear around me what's going on. All right, so the lips are matching up perfectly with the words all together, so that's pretty cool. Let me see if there's any like latency with like gaming or anything like that. But all right, we're gonna play some Call of Duty real quick just to test out the latency on this and see if there's any delay with the lips matching the words or anything like that. Okay, so these have a really nice isolated in the ear fit. They're not gonna fall out as well. Wow, that sounds great. The isolation on the sound is great. The guns are actually lining up with the words, which is pretty cool. Wow. Yo, guys. These sound great for gaming, so but for the price of like $20, you couldn't go wrong with these things if you want to like pair them up, play PUBG or Call of Duty, or tune out the world around you. Pair it up with your Xiaomi Redmi device. Or I'm gonna leave a link down below where I purchased these. But make sure you guys stay locked in with me and check out more videos. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you are, later crew, have a great night. Peace.